guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, quick little project shares. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw me I got better as I went on. But I made these super cute little yarn tassels, and I was totally inspired by Anne. She's Crafty Kimchi here on YouTube. She posted a video a while back, but you know that crafty bucket list gets pretty long and you get lost in time and you don't do anything. So I knew I wanted to make these because I had a lot of fun yarn from AliExpress. These little bundles, you know, it's not big, it's like fits in the palm of your hand. And I think that's great. Like, look, these are all perfect sizes versus like something at the store is like a big giant, you know, I don't know what this is called. What's this called? A thing. So I finally got to use my yarn because I haven't used it. So that was one thing I got to use. And then I got to use my Hobby Lobby beads, and my these ones are Hobby Lobby, and then these little heart-shaped ones are also from Hobby Lobby that I hauled. These are in the kitty section, so the actual alphabet, except for I wish the holes were strung through the top and the bottom versus the side, because I felt like you couldn't use this heart and this heart together because it looked silly. So I just did hearts, then I did an Anne one, and then this one right here just with a little ball right here. In Anne's tutorial, she uses like a big needle, like bigger than this. The hole's huge, but she also used embroidery floss, like that string. But I wanted to use the yarn, so I tried to do it with the yarn with my serger needle threader, except for I broke it because I tried to shove 4 pieces of string through one little hole and it did not work. It ripped my wire off. So I did buy a replacement the other day, so I'll definitely make more. But yeah, these were super fun, and once you did the first one, then you're doing the other one way faster. So I will link Anne's tutorial down below. So that's what I made with these little guys, and then I used one of them, let's see, right here. So you can see I used this little heart eyelet right here, and then I just hung one of the tassels down below, and then I used gold thread to like tie it off. Super cute, right? I should probably add paper or something right here, trim maybe. But this is, look at, cute little book. Those shakers, I have a tutorial on these, like how I decorated them. So that's where this little guy is from. I used the Target little banners, epoxy stickers from Hobby Lobby. I hadn't busted those out yet. Papers layered up, and then I stitched it. Little tassel hanging from this little shaker piece right here. This is the little book that I did a tutorial, the die cut book. The inside, I just did a little ephemera piece with one of the thickers on here with some trim. And then in each of the pockets, I did die cuts. So I did die cuts in these 3 pockets, these 3, these 3, these 3. So I was definitely, you guys follow me on Insta, you guys saw me die cutting, jamming out to some explicit music. But yeah, the little pockets, I still need to stick something in those. But yeah, that's the finished like project. And I think it just looks super cute, like a bunch of handmade love, you know? And it can just go like so, and then like, you know what, I need a heart die cut, and you can layer up and make an embellishment. So yeah, that is my quick little project share for today, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.